In this video, we will demonstrate the use of a counter instruction in the TD400 internal PLC. In this example, a conveyor motor is started. Parts traveling along the conveyor are counted with a discrete input. When the part count reaches the preset value, the conveyor motor is stopped. The ladder logic shown only demonstrates the counter control of the motor. No safety or interlock logic is shown in the program. Start TD-Link software and begin a new program. Configure the VFD's primary operation and discrete inputs for PLC function. Begin the ladder program with a normally open input contact. This is discrete input I1 assigned to a momentary push button. Extend the power flow to the right-hand side of the ladder. From the instruction bar, select an M instruction and place it in the ladder. This will be M1. The coil will be a set coil. The coil will remain on until reset. In rung 2, add a contact M1. This will be a normally open contact. Extend the power flow and add an F instruction. This is a motor control instruction. The number will be F1. The set frequency will be a constant designated by an N. The frequency will be 60 Hz. Acceleration and deceleration are set to 5 seconds. In rung 3, add an input contact. This is discrete input 2. Input 2 is connected to a discrete device to count parts traveling along the conveyor. This is a normally open contact. Extend the power flow and add a C instruction. This is a counter assigned to C1. The counter mode will be 1. Mode 1 is a non-retentive counter that will not exceed the preset count value. We will use a preset count of 10. The counter value will be reset by C1 upon reaching a count of 10. Select a normally open contact C in the 4th rung. Assign this to counter 1. Connect the power flow and add an output coil M1. This will be a reset coil. Start the simulator. Turn I1 on and off to set M1. M1 turns on motor control F1. Input I2 begins counting parts in C1. When the counter C1 reaches a count of 10, the counter is reset and coil M1 is reset. When M1 turns off, motor control F1 is turned off. The system is ready for another cycle. This concludes the use of the counter instruction in the TD400. For application notes and videos on the FMX Tough Drive VFDs, visit our knowledge base.